they need to win tonight. They need to put down the men out of Fiji to try and leapfrog them into the top 8 and then hang on across the closing 3 weeks. But these men have been so good.
Creates that second wave of opportunity.
Michael Wells leads out the Western Force. A battle for a spot inside the top 8. The great entertainers out of the Pacific get us started and send the kick-off long down towards finds Lelewasa, who sends it straight back to touch. 6 away, Splinters now still there for the force, so Fanga'a reaches and he's sent back, finds Lelewasa, floating one wide, and it's a little scamper from Manasa Mataele that brings the first try. Keeps it short for the moment. Spink will get a chance not long from now. Here he is, right on cue. Spink sent back by 2 defenders. Vosa Yatho on the angle. Fanga'a over and down and on the board. Bury drills through the conversion, and it is 12-0 Jono Lance.
Yeah, the one thing the Western Force have done so far in the opening stages is leave with points every time they get in the opposition 22. Now it's a Fijian and Drua's side. Got a chance to hand at set piece.
Lovely grab at the front for the captain, Darren Lungi. Now he pops away. The Canavere charging forward with some real venom. Lamani, Masi, floating it wide. They surely score here. Sal on the angle, and in he goes.
Oh, that just looked too easy for the Drua. Nice line-out throw. Nice support also over in Perth for the Drua.
Tight now. The visitors. Lamani wanting runners. He pulls Mirror out.
The advantage.
And Sal, penalty advantage. They might not need it.
Held up.
Or will they? Angus Gardner says held up, and we'll have another penalty. This one very kickable.
Okay, hold up. Hold up, mate, hold up. Yeah, just referring to your check, mate.
Gus, can we check probable try being scored, please?
Yep.
Angus Gardner was in the field of play. Had to run around
Angus.
very quickly. Oh, that's try time.
Okay, so overturn the on-field decision. That's right.
Just hold on, Angus, coming back to you.
Yeah.
Back on you now.
Overturn the on-field decision.
12-12. Have you got the try score for us, T. Horan?
Akira Devata. It's a good comeback by Fijian Drua.
Lamani, no problems from in front. Looks short with that little reach. It was Ginger coming back into the line. Stewart on for Wagner, now the penalty advantage. From close in to give his side the lead at half-time at home, and does just that. So at the break, it is the Western Force up by 1 against the Fijian Drua.
He stepped away.
Finds Lelewasa. Bury holding up for Wells. Manages to dodge the full force of the tackle there from Sal. Williams going short side, and Williams powers his way across the line.
Okay, you're in? Yep, okay, time on.
Fanga'a to Williams. It's a nice clean take from Williams, but they're in reverse at the moment. Fanga'a will steady and now shifted into first gear. To second, going short side, looking for his second. And they ignore that, just tap and run. They might just get over with another phase. Is Amone getting it close. Tizzano buries his way. Do they chase one final try here, the home team, or do they just pull the shutters down? Thankfully, it's the latter. And they imply kicks to touch. And it's a bonus point win at home for the Western Force, their 4th victory at HBF Park this season. And for the moment, they're back inside the top 8.